Hello, I'm 𝗦𝗵𝗿𝗆, founder and CTO of TechIDManager. I worked at MSP for 12 years, and in that time, I saw a persistent security issue. That issue happens right here. Every time that an MSP technician needs access to a client's server, domain, Azure tenant, worker machine, they use an administrative account. And it's a single administrator account shared between all the MSP technicians. Why is this a problem? Every cybersecurity framework says that an account should belong to a person and you should never share those accounts. Like NIST 800-171, ensure the actions of individual information system users can be uniquely traced to those users so they can be held accountable for their actions. NIST 800-66, ensure that all system users have been assigned a unique identifier. CIS, CMMC, PCI, even HIPAA, unique user identifiers are required for all system users. Every cybersecurity framework and every cyber insurance says that same thing in some different verbiage. So back to our MSP technician who needs access to a client's domain here. They should log in with an account that is specific to them and not a shared account. This means for an MSP, if you have 10 technicians and 100 clients, that's 1,000 accounts to create across all your client base. If you're a larger MSP with 50 technicians and 500 clients, it's 25,000 accounts to create, 25,000 passwords to rotate on a regular basis, rights to set on 25,000 accounts so you have least privilege access everywhere for everyone. And when a technician is hired, fired, or quits, that's 500 places to go enable or disable someone's access and give them the correct rights. This is an untenable problem if you try to do it manually. TechIDManager is here to solve all of the issues related to that. We automatically make every technician a unique account everywhere they have access, rotate their password every 24 hours, set all their rights so they truly have least privilege access, and when they leave, a manager clicks one button and all of their access is removed everywhere within 5 minutes. How does this work? How can this be effective? So a technician gets to this point, they need to log in. They bring up TechIDManager, they click search, TechIDManager goes on their computer and looks at all the windows they have open and makes an intelligent guess about what set of credentials they might need. I've found several credentials here. We want this domain account for techidmanager.com. We tell it to use this account. We tell it where we want to send those credentials. The TechIDManager is going to inject those credentials in this remote connection tool and get me logged in without me having to worry about what my username or password was. And I know that it's a specific account created and maintained for me. We can see here I am 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Other technicians like Jonathan have their own account. Emily has her own account. Every technician has their own account for all that traceability that's required by cyber insurance, cybersecurity frameworks. There's a whole lot more to this. Come check us out at techidmanager.com and request a demo. We look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.